Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 07384813812, and today we have a 2008 Nissan Navara dual cab STX D40 Ute, stock reference number 4366. This shape runs from the 12th month 2006 through to the 5th month 2010. It has a YD25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine, backed by a 6-speed manual 4-wheel drive transmission. This vehicle has sustained a rollover. It's got some aftermarket alloy, Tuff, side skirt, brush bars, supplied with all bolts and brackets, sold as a pair. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. The rear bumper bar's not in too bad condition. It does have a dent on the right hand side. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom. Right hand side skirt, side step, alloy brush bar type. Driver's side door trim, power window master switch, twin plug type. This vehicle's fitted with grey cloth interior. We have the courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, console lid, 6-speed manual gear shifter, factory 6-stack CD player, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.